Okay, I thought I was streaming to YouTube also, but it looks like that isn't happening. I have YouTube and Twitch selected in Streamlabs, but it looks like nothing's happening, so that's pretty cool. I guess I'll try again later. Okay, so what am I going to do? I release the Just a Filter plugin. Here's what it looks like, and I want to change a couple things. First of all, I completely forgot to put some kind of trim knob, so there's no way to affect the gain of the entire signal after you do your filtering, which kind of sucks. Also, I had some people tell me this was confusing, and I think I'm just going to change it to whatever. I want to have this default to whatever the default choice is, so I want it to look like this whenever it opens. So that shouldn't be too difficult. Let's move Zoe real quick. Okay, let's just deal with the menus first. Why? I told you to get off. So we can go into the header component and we'll say, we'll set the oversampling, or we'll set each menu selected item to be whatever is in the value tree. So sampling menu dot set selected item, and we'll say tree get raw parameter, and that one is oversampling, so that was called quality. And then we can do that for the rest of them. Yeah, okay, and I'm gonna get rid of those set text when nothing's selected. Let's see here. Switch the right variable names. And then this is gonna be bandwidth type ID and filter type ID. Cool, so that's that. That's the parameter connection part. So now what we're gonna do, oh, I forgot one more thing. Let's change, okay, so instead of normal and high, let's call this no oversampling. And then this one is 8 times oversampling. Linear Q, proportional Q. That should be good for those. I will change this, the quality one, to match the other ones. A choice. I think these need to be 1. I need to make another string array for the oversampling. Let's call it oversampling. And 8 times oversampling. Cool, so now I can take this, put it into choice, and say 1. And is that correct? Interesting. So, oh, well, first of all, let's do that. Let's see, what's the issue here? Choice. Is something here that I messed up? Quality ID, bandwidth type ID, and filter type ID. I mean, oh wait, I might have to check it in the host, not just in, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to check it in Logic and not just in the standalone build. Is this still set up for release? No, debug. Okay. Build. So let's get a new instance. Just a filter. Cool. Okay. And that should be fine. Let's check it in plugin doctor to make sure the right things, like the right DSP, initializes correctly. Okay, that. So it should be a low shelf with a linear queue right now. Okay, so that means that should do something. And then what happens if I go to proportional? Nothing happens there, and then it changes with the gain. Perfect. I hate this, the way it concatenates. Should I make these larger? I think I will make these larger. Proportional queue is probably the longest one. Okay. So that should be pretty easy also. That ever closes. Header component. Okay, so what are we doing here? Oh, so this is all I have to do, I think. Change the width right here. And let's see here. Is that not enough? Yeah. Well, that looks ridiculous. Okay, so we could probably go down to something like that. I wonder if this is going to work on laptop though. I am doing this on a wide monitor. I don't know. Well, I don't know. I think that kind of works. I could change it to say analog Q A-L-O-G. Yeah, maybe that would be better. Analog Q. Analog Q, and we'll go back to 0.2. Oh, I forgot to get me a Dr. Pepper. That looks better. Okay. It doesn't get any smaller than that. Yeah, okay. So how should we do the... Oh, yeah, okay. So for the trim, I think I want to do something that I haven't done before, which was have a slider that doesn't really look like a slider. It'll be just a number box. So like imagine a little box right here with a number and then a little label that says trim, and you can just move the number box up and down or type in it. Not really a lot of space for that though. If we go back down to 15, is it still fine? Now that I changed the word to analog. I guess so. That gives me more space right here for the box. Okay, so let's try that. How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna make... Okay, so we're gonna make a slider. Okay, should I just make a one and done slider, or should I make... like just call juice slider and then just make it in the project, or should I actually make myself a widget? Yeah, I should make myself a widget. What would I call this? So I've got a dial, a fader. I guess I'll just call it number box. Yeah, okay. Let's do that. New header file. Gonna be number box. Cool. Empty, yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of dial, I guess. Put it in the number box. So I don't think I'll need the style sheet. So first things first, let's take out all this style stuff. Style, yep, those. That. Probably not going to use the shadow. So we can say force shadow, we can take that out. Oh, here's the dial style enums. I don't think I'm gonna change the look and feel, so let's get rid of that. Okay, so I was looking at a forum post. Oh, let's see if I can find it. Juice number box. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. That's what I found. So thanks, Jamie Bullock. Okay, so we'll set the slider style to linear bar. We will set, okay, so this is probably important. Setting it to not snap to the position. And then let's see, the track color ID is going to be transparent black. Track. This is probably important too, keeping the same size. Maybe not the width, but the height probably. So let's just do that. Let's see, does this build? I'll need to take out this init shadows probably. Oh, but it built somehow. Okay. Let's take out init shadows because that doesn't even exist anymore. I don't think it does. No, it doesn't. Okay. So we're going to go into the header component. Okay, yes. Widget includes. Oh, do I need to go do that? Where's it at? Widget includes. LV number box. And we'll go into the header because that's where we want to put it. And we'll say juice LV number box, if it lets me. Oh, what's your deal? Ah, this is why. That should be good enough. Here. Let's see if it, yep, now I got it. So trim slider. And let's see, construct it. Is that what I'm doing on this one? No, but I can. Trim slider. So suffix is gonna be dB, of course. Range start, I don't know. Let's do -24 to 24. Interval value 0.1, whatever. Return value 0. Okay. So then we will need to say just add make visible, probably, right? Trim slider. And then we will need to set its position somewhere. We could do something very similar to the way we're laying out these menus. And we could say trim slider. Filter type menu dot get x minus space between minus filter type menu dot get width. That should put our X position in the right spot. Int Y, what am I, top margin for everything. The width, I'm kind of unsure. Let's make it menu width for right now. We'll see how that goes. We'll also, right, this is the one that I think setting it to 20 specifically is going to be what we want. Oh, good. We got a bunch of build. Style shadow. Oh. What else? What? That was weird. It seems like double clicking isn't. Okay. I might need to force that. Unless, let's see, double click. Set double click to return value. Okay. That's kind of weird. I wonder. Yeah, I think it's because you would have to double click on the. Yeah, I don't know. Well, we could do Xbox outline. Let's set this to white smoke just so that we can see it, get a better idea of exactly what's happening. Oh, I see. Okay, so I think I can go back to the way I wanted to do it for the height. So I think we can do menu height. Cool. Oh, okay, now the double clicking works sometimes. Wait, it just worked. I know it worked. That's weird. It happens in a very specific spot. Don't really know why. So the double clicking, let's look at this dial. Okay, so it doesn't work when you do it in the number box. But if you do it right above it, it works, which is, I think, what's happening here. I wonder if there's something I'll have to override. Oh, you know what else I could do while I'm here is make a little highlight thing. So I'll go into the number box and right here, instead of thumb color, I'll do text box. Oh, let's do text box text color. Text color. Do it like that. Let's do it like this. Oh, I bet this is gonna do the same thing. I bet it's gonna only light up whenever you're hovering right above it. Oh, no? Interesting. Well, I don't understand. If that works, why is the double click not working? Okay. Let's make the text box editable. I think that's this one. Oh, I wonder if that's gonna mess it up. Let's see what that does. Oh, see, it's snapping. But I wonder if we can fix that by making the height like 0 or something. Let's make it 1. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that's not gonna work because that's gonna blow out their ears. I think we're just gonna have to deal with the way it is. I think I can make, so instead of making a label, I think I'll go into the constructor, change this to trim maybe. Kind of starting to think that this is not going to be the way to go. Because not being able to type into it kind of sucks. Oh, now the double click seems to be happening perfectly. So let's see. Is that even the right text box style? Bool is read only. Oh no, we need that false. Yeah, I can't really, it doesn't work. Is that because of the snap position? So with taking this or commenting this out, it's going to be like a completely normal slider where you just can't see. So if it still doesn't work, it's got to be that it's because it's a linear bar, and I should probably just go back to regular linear and try it. Yeah, see, I can't type into it. Oh, I wonder if the linear, I don't think I've ever used a linear bar, so maybe it doesn't act the way I think it does. Let's do a linear vertical. What's up, chat? Okay. Now I can't slide it, which is cool. Ah, okay. Yep. That was the thing. So to get the behavior I want with the sliding, it has to be the bar. But it'll blow out their ears if it doesn't have this. So should I even use this, or should I just rework the UI a little bit to add another dial or slider? Interesting. What happens if the where's the track color ID? Let's make it white smoke. Yeah, okay, so it fills up the... Yeah, okay. I see. Could make a little reset button. Text box, text color ID. Should I change this to... Wait, let's see. Oh, yeah. So this. Wait, why is it so different? I'm just gonna... So why is this happening again where the color is right for the first time, but then the mouse over messes with it? I'm doing the same thing. Actually, hold up. Back to that. 5, and then we'll say with alpha 1. And then I guess we'll try with alpha 0.5. Yeah, that works. And maybe I want to make it a little more sensitive. So let's see. Set mouse drag sensitivity int distance for full scale drag. I have no idea. I'm gonna put 50. I have no idea what it defaults to. Oh, that's crazy. Way too much. 500. This will tell me if this mouse drag sensitivity even works. I'm just gonna go for it. 10,000. Oh yeah. That's actually not too far off from what I want. That's good enough. I'm not sure about the styling. Like, oh, well, first of all, the font is different from everything else. That's kind of a problem. I really don't feel like making a style just for this number box thing, but let's see. Hard dial. Okay, so let's do this. Actually, I'll just copy the whole thing. Yeah, because I don't need that. Okay. That, and then this is gonna be custom number box. And it's just gonna have draw label. So we're gonna go here. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. That will probably do it. Then I can go into number box and I can get the style sheet. I'm just gonna copy this. Number box, style sheet, and then how did I do it on this one? What? Maybe the fader would be a better example. Oh, right here. Okay, yeah. Ah, right here. Custom number box. Custom number box. And then I'll go here and I'll say set look and feel to custom number box. That's probably it. Okay, at least now it matches. So that actually looks 10 times better. It's not great because like most of the time when a plugin has something like this where it's just like a number box, they'll try to make it look like a cool like LCD display or something. What I could do, thank you assert for reminding me. I'm glad that happened. Now I'll go into here, look and feel to null pointer. And then that shouldn't happen. And then we've got, let's see, number box. I just realized I'm using the rotary. Let me undo these. Let's see if that does anything, because I'm thinking these rotary color IDs won't do anything to the bar. Yeah, they weren't doing anything. Okay, so juice slider. Okay. Oh, there's a background color ID. I'm just not using it. And then let's make it white smoke to see if it's actually doing something. It's not doing anything. Oh. Oh, wait. Put on the wrong thing. That's not doing anything. Track. It could be the track, I guess. The track color ID, which is right now transparent. Okay, that's the fill. There is this text box background, but I could also try the rotary slider outline. Let's see. Rotary slider outline. Nope. Text box background. Are you kidding me? So none of these colors are just the full background of the thing. Nope. So how is it drawn? I'm guessing GUI basics. Look and feel. I have no idea which look and feel version. Slider. Oh, 103 matches. Great. Okay, draw linear slider. Oh, I could do this. If bar, I could do yeah, okay. Wait, are these still in else? Where's this else block end? All the way down here. Are you serious? I guess the linear bar is just so simple. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Go into the style sheet, custom number box, and we'll do void draw linear slider, and then we will go custom number box. What? Oh. Override. That way I could do this. draw linear slider, which, Jesus Christ, I don't want to have to do that. That, and apparently all it really has in it is that. Okay, and then I'm gonna do, let's see, X. I'm not 100% sure how to parse this. Rectangle. So here's the rectangle. X, Y, width, and height. Not slider position, just height. The X position is going to be X. Okay, so this is why that worked. So we're basically just filling, so the X position, the start of the filling, the Y position, no, sorry, the X position, the Y position, the width, and the height. So we're making the height the full height of the slider. That's what all of this nonsense is. The width is the full width of the slider, -1 for some reason. The starting X position is basically the X position, and the Y position X for some reason. Actually, I'm not, Zoe, get out of the way. I'm not 100% sure why this worked, because this wasn't what I was thinking, but for some reason this works. So let's go change the color to this blue. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know. That's pretty ugly looking. Yeah, I don't know what I'm trying to do, but I wonder if I could use the same thing I used for the BT clipper. Let's see here. BT clipper. Oh, no, it looks like an oscilloscope. Free LCD display image art. I don't even know the right word to use. Okay. So I might need to describe it a different way. Free, I mean, more something like this, but this isn't. Or even something like this would be cool. Is there a word for these kind of like embedded, you know, Arduino LCD displays that I'm unaware of? Oh, what would this look like if I gave it a shadow? Let's go to dial. Get this. Number box. Over here somewhere. Dial shadow. Number box. And I need to call init shadows, I guess, in the constructor. Number box. Let's just see if that actually does anything. I wonder if I can't see the shadow just because it's on a black. Nope, it's not doing anything. Well, okay, I don't know why I'm thinking about this, but this doesn't make any sense. Why make a method when I could just put it in there? I mean, that looks more normal, right? And then I could do something like this. This looks kind of dumb. Oh, because I need to push that over probably. I could probably move that back now. It's not the best. Whatever. Okay. Let's just make sure it still actually works. Okay. Is there anything else I should do? Oh, I should put a reset button. Yeah. So let's go to the header. And this is gonna be a push button. Yeah, okay. So header. Push button, trim, reset. Okay, and then we're gonna say and make visible trim reset. Trim reset dot set clicking toggle state false. And let's see here. Probably gonna be too big, but we'll just get it there and make sure it works. We'll also need to say trim reset dot set text. Set button text reset trim. I don't know. Oh, semicolon would help. Okay. Xcode is just slow when it comes to errors being resolved. I can probably say menu with by 2 so that it's not so big on the, so it's not so far away from the slider thing. Let's see if that, cool. I think I'll actually make the button a little less bright. Let's see. Push button, what is it? Color. Oh, wait, that's not what I wanted. The push button already has like a little mouse over thing. I think that's what I was looking at. I don't need to actually change this, because now it's going to be really dark whenever I actually push it. Oh, that's not so bad. Okay, cool. So we'll go to the header component and we'll say that should be it on the onClick method. We're just setting the, oh wait, what am I doing wrong? Oh, no equal sign. So nothing should happen, and then look at that. Good enough. And then we need to make the trim slider actually trim the volume. So trim, 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 trim. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna make this trim. This is almost exactly what we need. In fact, why do I have this space between them? Trim, trim, trim. 24, 24. Bro, why does that happen? Why whenever I paste does it go back? Cool. Trim if trim debug. Then we need to make an attachment for it. So we'll go in the header and we're going to use a slider attachment because it is still a slider. And whatever. That. Trim attach. And then do I need another little thing? No, but I will just take that for now. Trim. Trim attach. Trim ID. Trim slider. And that I think is it. Except tree. Oh, 7 segment displays. That's good to know. I didn't even notice that you said anything. I figured nobody was watching. Let me do this real quick and I'll go look at that. So we need to say trim attach equal null pointer. So yes, that is it. Thank you. See, like, why does this look so good? It's just, so it's a gradient. The background's a brown to black gradient, or like a red gray to black. I guess everything in here has a gradient on it. because the background for the number has a gradient. The actual filled in maybe is solid, maybe not. These definitely have a little gradient, but I guess this was made in Illustrator or something. See, like even this, I don't understand why this looks so nice. This is definitely a solid color and it's a black square. So like if I were to go back to here and go to what am I doing? The number box, and I go track color and I go to dim. Let's try dim gray. See what that looks like. And it needs to be wider. Wait, why is it so far away from the... Yeah, something... I gotta fix that real quick. That's gonna bother me. So the X position is gonna be the trim slider.get X minus space between, which space between... Shouldn't it be filter type menu get X minus space between? Oh, wait. Is that gonna work? I think I like this color. So if I go back to the number box. I mean, not the number box, the push button. It is probably, it's gonna be this. Let's see if that looks the same as the button. It looks a little different, but I think it might be because of the text color. So this is the text color probably. So go back to the number box and the text box text color black brighter. And then I need to change the font of the button, which I doubt you can do directly. That font. Oh. Great, I'm gonna have to make one for that too. Okay. GG's in the chat. What am I doing? Oh. Button. Paint toolbar button. Wait, you can get the text button font, but you can't set it? Oh wait, draw button background. Oh wait, draw toggle button. This isn't a toggle button, is it? Let's see, tick box, change toggle button with the fit text. Okay, so maybe before these. So we've got draw button background. Okay, so maybe it's this one. Draw button background. Maybe I should do font. 63, not great. Oh, let's do this. Let's change this right here just to see if it works. It probably won't, because I think it's for, this is probably for the other type of button. Yeah, it didn't do anything. Okay, so it's not where it is. Get text button font. Why is there a get text button font? Raw document. Let me just go all the way to the first one. Okay. There a draw button? Oh. There's a draw button background, but nothing that alludes to font at all. Okay, so maybe text button. Nope. Okay, so let's go to the other look and feels. Draw button background. Don't see anything about font. Oh, here we go. Draw button text. Okay, this is probably what I want. So let's try this. Let me close all of these tabs except for this one. Okay, and then I will go to the label. Oh, good. Let's do this. Is that the correct syntax? I think it is. Okay, so that is the right method. So we can take this and I will undo that. Go to my style sheet and draw linear. I guess I'll put it all the way at the bottom. Void LV custom button, and I'll have to go into here and say like that. Let's see, two. Okay, and that should be correct. Override. Cool. So I could go push button, public, private. Maybe juice, LV, custom button, component, no, set look and feel, custom button. We need a destructor, push button. Oh, push button. And we need to say set look and feel. It's a null pointer so that we don't have a memory leak. And that should work. Because let's see, that's back to normal. So if we build it, okay, before I do that, I want to custom push button because I'm gonna eventually get confused. Because I already have the custom button on the toggle, and okay, it says power, but I feel like just naming it button's gonna be too generic, and I'm eventually gonna run into an issue with that. Let's see if that builds. Oh shit. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna have to do something else. It's gonna have to be V4, but it's not gonna work if I custom push button. If I do this, it's probably not gonna build because I don't think V4 has that method in it. Oh, it does. I somehow missed it. And I'm starting to kind of hate this background, so all of that work I did for this is for nothing. So what we'll do is we'll go back to transparent and take the L, and then the text box text color is going to be white smoke with alpha. I don't even know. Yeah, that works. That's good. So I guess now we're just gonna have to what's the easiest way to do? I'm just gonna use a gain DSP module. Trim module. Set gain decibel new value. That's it for that. We just need to prepare it. So trim module dot prepare spec, and then we'll also do trim module dot set ramp duration seconds 2 for 20 milliseconds. Trim module. I have some kind of init filter, so I'll just do this. Dot set gain decibel, and that's going to be tree state. I get raw parameter value trim ID. And this init filter is being called in prepare and in the what's it called, the set state, so that should be good. The only other thing I should have to do really is trim module dot process. This is going to be juice ESP process context replacing float, pass it audio block. That should probably be it. Let's just give it a quick test. My God, Zoe, stop biting the mouse. Build that bad boy. Okay, just a filter. Oh, very cool. These aren't initializing. Okay, they initialize there. They didn't initialize there. That's pretty cool. I bet it's because they never got touched. And I bet if you close this, that's weird. That's gonna be a whole thing. Let's see. I wonder, I might have to make the message thread, or whatever thread the UI is on. I might have to make it wait for the audio thread to initialize before it runs like the UI constructor. Just think for a minute. Oh. Wonder. Wait. Oh. So. Damn. What am I supposed to do? Oh, I could probably do this. I have no idea if that's going to do anything, but I'll just try it. Might not even be the issue. That's weird. Why would it work for two of them but not both of them? I don't know if that's actually, if it actually worked. It could have been random. Quality, bandwidth type, filter type. It was a bandwidth type that didn't initialize. I wonder. So UI constructor. Window component. Let's do it a couple more times and just see if there's anything that we can learn. High shelf analog 8 times. Okay, so it's not. Interesting. I think the best way to do this is to figure out if there's a way for me to wait for the audio processor to finish initializing and then do all of the editor stuff. Oh, you know what? I bet if I do int, it'll solve that problem. So filter types. How many are there for this one? 5. Damn. That wasn't the issue. What? I don't remember this ever being an issue before. What is going on all of a sudden? If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to quit and work on it again later. Damn it. This has never been a problem. Unless... Wait. We'll look at one that works. This one works, I think. So it goes from 1 to whatever, but then when you make it goes 1 less. Is that the issue? And then okay, and then in the constructor stereo box, can you attach? Oh, I have the attachment at the end. I don't know if that makes a huge difference. Oh, thank God. It worked. Let's do a new instance to make sure it still works. Low shelf, linear, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then is that what's actually happening? I think so. Zoe. Oh, she's laying on the keyboard. It is working. Okay. Note to self. Don't use audio parameter choice anymore. And always put the menu attachment after your items. And that's probably it. It is 7:38. Thanks for watching. I will be back. Today's Wednesday, right? So yeah, I'll be back Friday, 5:30 Central Standard. This is pretty much done. I will package this up and release an update. And if somebody says I need to change something else, I'll just add it then. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I will see you next time. All right. Thanks.